strong wind blows through the garden, leaves swirl fast. One small kitten crouches down, ears flat, eyes wide with fear. Bolt turns toward the kitten, kneels down to eye level, tilts his head with concern. The kitten meows softly. Bolt gently raises one hand and slowly waves "It's okay," smiling calmly. The kitten watches closely but stays still. A louder gust pushes leaves past them. The kitten flinches and hides its face. Bolt shields the kitten with his body. Bolt places a gentle hand near the kitten, not touching yet, nodding slowly. The kitten peeks out and meows quietly. The other two kittens run over, stand close together. One rubs against the scared kitten for comfort. Bolt points to the group, then to his chest, showing "We stay together." The kittens meow in agreement. Bolt gestures toward a nearby bush and wall, signaling shelter. The kittens follow closely, tails low but steady. The wind softens. Leaves fall gently. The scared kitten slowly relaxes and stands up. The kitten takes a small step forward, looks up at Bolt. Bolt gives a thumbs up and a warm smile. All kittens jump happily. Bolt opens his arms. Everyone spins playfully as the breeze turns gentle. A light gust lifts a few leaves, just like scene one. The one scared kitten now looks calm. Perfect emotional loop.